This is where we at. Superior performance. Got my motor mounts on there. I probably should have taken those off. Got my power steering bracket, alternator bracket. Still got spark plugs. All my sensors are on. Oil pressure. It's a 6.2 rebuild. It looks nice. That 2JZ is crazy. YouTube, what it do, baby? We back at the shop, and it's time to load the trailer up because we dropping off the motor at the machine shop, and we dropping the crane back off at Sunbelt. So we got some shit going on. I got her tied down. She's strapped down pretty good. Y'all stay tuned. We done at Sunbelt. Now we headed to the machine shop, so y'all stay tuned. They got some pretty cool stuff here. So it's a bunch of trucks, bunch of cars and stuff. Some dope stuff, old school. And we dropping off that 5.3 to get rebuilt. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna end up doing a full rebuild, which it's a little more expensive than I budgeted for, but it makes a lot of sense. We talked through the numbers and what's gonna happen. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a 6.2 rebuild. It looks nice too. So you guys went through this already? Nice. So the 6.2, these cylinders are way bigger than what's on mine, right?
Yeah, yours is a 3.780 bore. That's a 4.065.
Okay. So when we bore mine 20 over, what's it gonna go to?
3,800.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which that's just a common, like I say, just
common bore. Okay.
That's it's just LT that we did some friction on. It's just a stock motor and it goes in a. It's gonna be a 4-cylinder dirt track motor. 2.3 Ford dirt track motor.
Wow. That's nice.
This little motor is gonna be like a $10,000 4-cylinder.
Really?
Yeah.
What's in it? Why does it cost so much?
Everything for this motor is expensive.
Mm.
You know, everything is just, the head is a lot of money, and then all the part, just because it's a 2.3 4-cylinder, it's not like a LS where everybody's building one. And,
Yeah.
you know,
Parts
all
are
the
not
parts are just expensive. The head work, getting the head work done is expensive.
Yeah.
Because I got a head porter that kind of specializes in stuff
in
like
that stuff. Okay.
And all the head parts and lightweight valves.
Nice. All right, yeah, we can definitely get that started.
This will be a turbo 2JZ motor.
Whew, that 2JZ is crazy. Those are kind of common too, like the Japanese version. I mean, we talking about the jackpot. This the entire shop. Got motors on motors on motors. This is like the before, and this is kind of like how they get their stuff done. Cleaning machines, parts washers. I don't even know what this is, but a lot of cool stuff. Motors and cams. That's the machine. So yeah. So the motors go in here to get bored out and stuff?
Yeah, the motor sits in here, and that's what I use to hold them.
Man.
To hold all the cylinders.
Oh, so you're not, this is official. When I saw Honing on YouTube, I saw him with a drill and a little drill thing. This is even crazier.
Well, this, what you saw was probably somebody with a flex hone or a dingle hone.
Yeah.
Probably something that looked similar to this.
Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. So you guys have that, and you have the big one.
Yeah, this machine here, the way this is made, when you put it in there, so like for example, if you got like 3/1000 wear on the top and 1/1000 wear on the bottom of the cylinder,
Yeah.
when it starts cutting it,
Oh, it keeps it straight.
It's cutting it perfectly straight, and as
Right.
it's cutting it, you'll see where it's missing.
Certain areas.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope.
So it's cutting the tight spots first, and it's opening and cutting it straight.
I got you.
And round, yeah.
I got you. Nah, this is some serious stuff, man. And it looks like you guys had it reliable, like had it for a minute. And you guys do welding and everything.
The welding comes in sometimes when they're this is what the balancing, where they do the balancing.
Okay.
And if the crankshaft needs weight,
You'll weld some more.
They drill a part of the crankshaft out and they put Mallory in it.
Okay.
And then they weld it in there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. I'm following you. We getting loaded up.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and get you unloaded.
Okay. He said, I'm not racing yet. We'll see, man. This is the start of something cool, though. So we're going to get this motor loaded up, man. Y'all stay tuned. It's a good thing I still have this motherfucker.
Need to come down.
Nah, it's good.
All right, ready?
Ready. Oh, wait. Let me unload it.
Unstrap it. Yeah.
That's good. Got my motor mounts on there. I probably should have took those off. Got my power steering bracket, my alternator bracket. Still got spark plugs in there. All my sensors are on, oil pressure, all of that. Over here, we're gonna get it done. This is where we at. Superior performance. All right, that concludes this part, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do one video, more than one, I don't know, but y'all stay tuned.
J King and the bitch and it's strictly business. I'm a property owner, ain't been a tenant. Got racks on me like I'm playing tennis. Dropped a couple off when I went to the dentist. Invisalign, straight on these hoes. Flooded my whole bottom row. My diamond look 3D, a whole lot of VVVVs on me. This shit out of control.